Hi, I'm Michael Grinder. Most of you probably know by now, I come to Australia every year. I love being in that kind of a culture. The idea of everyone being equal just appeals to me in terms of democracy. But at the same time, when it comes to presentation skills, there's a huge difference between those people that have the ability to influence others and those that don't. I want to share with you what I've learned over the years working with some of the top speakers in Australia. What is the difference that makes the difference? We all know 82% of the communication are nonverbals, what you do with your eyes and voice, body, and breathing. But has anyone ever set it down and went, this is the sequence that will have you arrive at a masterful level of presentation skills? We're going to be together, Perth, 24th, 25th of September. Margot Halbert is the sponsor. Be there and learn what you already know and then add to it when to add the extra oomph that you need to persuade and influence people. Michael Grinder, see you then.